Hey, what's up, you happy people? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Thanks for tuning in my channel. On a recent fishing trip, I caught a few of these ling fish. Previously, I have shared with you a recipe how to use the ling fish to make steamed fish. Today, I'm going to try another recipe to use ling fish to make a storm fish. Meant for cooking, healthy eating. Without further ado, let's start. Clean the fish. To fillet the fish, start from the back of the fish and carefully cut the meat off the backbone. Now remove the skin off the fillet. Cut the fillet to about 2-inch pieces. Add 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon peppers and marinate the fish for about 20 minutes. Chop some garlic, ginger, scallion, and cilantro. The other ingredients include cumin seed and hot pepper. Add 2 cups of starch and 2 tablespoons cooking oil to the fish. Add water to the starch and mix it well to the consistency you are seeing here. Add each piece of the fish to the hot oil. Take the fish out when they become light brown. Heat the oil up further and refry the fish for about 30 seconds. Add oil to the hot wok, fry hot pepper, garlic, ginger, and scallion. Add 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon chicken bone into the wok. Add the fish into the wok. Add 2 tablespoons cumin seed into the wok. Finally, add the cilantro into the wok and continue stir fry. This is stormed ling fish I'm talking about. The meat of a ling fish is soft and tender and the perfect material to make a storm fish. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up and be sure to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.